All started back in October when the central bank announced to demonetize the 200, 500, and 1,000 Naira notes.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Tonic is trending and it's great to see, guys. Not much news and updates for Tonic after so much news recently dropped, but I was searching through Twitter and I saw that Tonic is trending amongst some other altcoins. Everyone is always talking about Tonic, guys, and you could see it. You could see the growth that is constantly taking place. The number of people on the watch list, 30,725. The number of addresses in the blockchain in Chronoscan, the blockchain explorer for Crow. 36,398 addresses right here. 30,725 people on the watch list. I think I said addresses, I meant on the watch list. And 58,800 people following Tonic. I remember seeing it at like 55k followers. So Tonic just keeps growing. You can see it in the numbers, right? Don't worry about the price in the short term, guys. Focus on the utility of the project. Obviously, price, going up is great, and you know we love to see that. But focus on the utility of the project and what Tonic does. There's so much people using the protocol. There's so much people taking advantage of the passive income of Tonic, and you can't fade a project like this, guys. You really can't. Okay, we're gonna get into the tweet where I saw Tonic is trending and it's super bullish. But for right now, I'm just pulling up the protocol. Guys, if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, support the channel, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, rewatch all of these videos. Let's get this video to 1,000 and all the others to 1,000 views, man. I'd really appreciate the support. And if you can, become a channel member. I will give you guys shout outs in my future videos, and I will also give you guys access to all the information, whether I'm buying different altcoins or any new information that could help in your crypto journey early, right? So if you can, please become a channel member. Let's take a look at the Tonic D app right here. The numbers don't lie. Numbers don't lie. 236 million supplied, 123 million borrowed. The APY for Tonic is great. You could actually set up wrapped ether, which makes Tonic an LSD, a liquid staking derivative, because you could stake wrapped ether. There's so much utility behind Tonic and its DeFi applications. It is so innovative and unique to compared to other projects, and this is not a project you could fade. Tonic is one of those gems that will absolutely crush it in the future. Being on Chronos blockchain as well, there's a few projects on the Chronos blockchain that I definitely think everyone should have in their portfolio, which is Crow, VVS, and Tonic. Those are the top three. There's a bunch of other alts that launch on Chronos all the time, I'm sure. There's a bunch of other NFT projects that launch on the Chronos chain. But these three projects are the ones that's gonna be, in my opinion, the best performers. Crow, which is the obvious, VVS, and Tonic, guys. And as Crow develops and grows, so will Tonic. It is clear as day. Now let's go through the hashtag Tonic. I saw the tweet, must have took it down, but there it is right here from the Crypto Cobra. Trending coins by popularity. Number 1, Tonic. And then we have other trending coins as well. More and more people are taking notice of Tonic, and it's clear as day, guys. This project is growing and will continue to grow. And digital assets, DeFi, crypto will be the future of finance, and Tonic is going to be one of those projects that carves out so much market share in that asset class. There's something that is happening right now in Nigeria which backs my case. The Nigerian currency crisis. Okay, these are the things that can be fixed through Tonic and its protocol, guys.
Nigeria's got a Naira crisis, and it doesn't seem to be easing. For weeks ahead of a major national election, Africa's biggest economy hasn't had enough cash for its citizens. It all started back in October when the central bank announced to demonetize the 200, 500, and 1,000 naira notes in what they say was a chance to cut corruption, reduce excess cash, and rein in inflation. But the move spiraled into chaos. For starters, a deadline to
telling you guys, you see what's happening around the world. The stories keep happening constantly. You check out all my previous videos where I dive into this research. I saw someone comment and say, you're one of the few YouTubers, or if not the only YouTuber, that covers world news and ties it back into crypto, right? It is happening around the world, guys. You could see the collapse of the previous financial system. Nigeria is just one of those examples. It's, you know, people might think it's not possible, but it's only a matter of time until it gets to the US shores as well. And projects like TONIC and the Crow ecosystem fix this.
Exchange old notes in for legal tender led to long queues at ATMs and banks nationwide, oftentimes in the middle of the night and up to 7 hours long. Business runs mainly on cash in Nigeria's large informal sector, as does most of the economy. Not just that, only 60% of households, according to some estimates, have access to a bank account, and that number dips to 40% in rural places. So the shortage is grinding normally bustling shopping centers to a halt. And even getting to the front of the line isn't a feat in and of itself. Residents are only allowed to withdraw a maximum of 20,000 naira or $43 at a time.
Imagine one day you go to your bank and you try to withdraw for rent or groceries for the month, you know, any other, you know, utilities like electrical bill, any other bills, and you could only withdraw a certain amount. You know, I may be wearing a tinfoil hat when I'm speaking right now. Most people probably think, oh, you're just crazy. How could that ever happen? How could you rule it out? We see what happened with Bank of America, guys. You know, this is why I'm into DeFi. This is why I'm into crypto. This is the future, and digital assets will protect you against what is potentially incoming.
And even the machines meant to dispense these notes are running dry. It didn't need to be this chaotic. Other countries like India, the UK, and Somalia have all carried out similar demonetization schemes with varying degrees of success. Nigeria's crisis, though, comes as the naira weakens against the dollar just before presidential elections and with black market currency rampant compared to the bank-controlled market. And Nigeria's largely unbanked population could face even more hardship without any sharp increase in the supply of the new notes, despite the extension of the deadline.
So guys, there you have it, right? These are the type of information I'll be looking at all the time, and I, you know, do my best to bring it to the channel and, you know, try to tie it back into why you should be invested in crypto in the first place. A lot of people, you know, are going about their lives just thinking, you know, everything's gonna be, you know, the same way it always has been. But there's things that are happening behind the scenes, or things that are happening that aren't publicized, that will be so crucial for, you know, the average person to know in the future, right? In the future, this is why I said, all of you that are in crypto right now, TONIC, Crow, you name it, you're setting yourself up for greatness in the future. TONIC fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, become a channel member, and support the channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.